Did you know Lord Jagannath of Puri is not a version of Sri Krishna? Welcome to episode 1 of Rath Yatra Untold, origin of Lord Jagannath. Long ago, Malwa के राजा इंद्रद्युम्न जो कि विष्णु जी के बहुत बड़े भक्त थे, he hears about a divine deity named Neelamadhav, worshipped secretly by a tribal chief Vishwavasu. दर्शन के लिए व्याकुल, king sends Vidyapati, who evidently finds Neelamadhav deep in the Nilachal forest. But when the king himself arrives there, the deity had mysteriously vanished. Heartbroken, Indradyumna fasted and prayed until Lord Vishnu appeared in his dream, telling him to build a grand temple and also उन्हें एक नीम पेड़ के तने के इंतजार करने बोलते हैं. When it appeared, a lot of carpenters tried working on it, but no one was successful until the Vishwakarma, in form of an old carpenter, showed up to carve the idols, but on one condition: no one should disturb him. पहले काम करने का साउंड तो बाहर आता था, but फिर धीरे-धीरे सब शांत हो जाता है. And after 21 days, the queen grew anxious, and the door was opened early. The sculptor vanished, leaving behind incomplete idols. Yet they were divinely complete. These became Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra, and Subhadra, the deities we worship in Puri today. अभी जो पुरी का Grand King Indradyumna's temple and deity installation in Satyug. The king performed thousands of sacrifices at the Gundicha मंदिर और उसके बाद ही जगन्नाथ, बलराम और सुभद्रा जी के लकड़ी की मूर्ति रखे जाते हैं. It was only after the completion of the idols of Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra, the Rath Yatra was organized to transport the deities to the temple. और इसी तरह पहला रथ यात्रा शुरू हुआ जगन्नाथ जी को ले जाने के लिए from Gundicha मंदिर into Sri Mandir, the Jagannath temple. Lord Jagannath instructed Indradyumna's priests to celebrate the Gundicha festival by carrying him along with Balaram and Subhadra to the Gundicha Mandap, where they would stay for 7 days. Saint Jamini then outlined the entire Rath Yatra ceremony and Indradyumna duly followed it. सरल भाषा में समझे तो पहला रथ यात्रा स्वयं भगवान द्वारा रचित एक सफर था गुंडीचा मंदिर के लिए. The festival's name recalls Queen Gundicha, Indradyumna's wife. Traditions say she had requested such a procession so that the sinners and the poor untouchables, जिनको मंदिर के अंदर अनुमति नहीं, तो पता होगा कि रथ यात्रा में 3 रथ होते हैं. But did you know कि तीनों रथ के अलग अलग नाम भी हैं? First is Nandi Ghosh of Jagannath, second is Taladhwaj of Balabhadra, and third Devi Subhadra's rath is Darpadalan. And every year the raths are newly carved by the same people जो पीढ़ी दर पीढ़ी यही करते आए हैं. And इन्हें कहा जाता है विश्वकर्मा सेवक. अब रथ के डिफरेंट पार्ट्स का काम डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में डिवाइड कर दिया जाता है, and according to the work they do, the groups have different names like Badehi Maharana, people who carve the intricate designs on the raths, and Chandakar, who attach different parts of the rath and move them from one place to another, and Rupakar, they draw and paint the different parts of the rath. And there are more such groups. But Lord Jagannath Snan Yatra. Snan Yatra is the grand ritual bathing festival of Lord Jagannath, celebrated annually on the Purnima of Jyesht Masa. The idols of Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra are brought out